Blue book, what is a noun? A noun is a word that names a person, place, thing, or idea. White right pointing backhand index simple examples. Person teacher, Ali, doctor. Play school, Lahore, park. Thing book, chair, phone. Idea love, happiness, freedom. 1. Proper noun. A proper noun is the name of a specific person, place, or thing. It always starts with a capital letter. White heavy checkmark examples. Ali, Sarah, names of people. Pakistan, Lahore, places. Monday, January, days, months. White right pointing backhand index sentence. Ali lives in Pakistan. 2. Common noun. A common noun is a general name for people, places, or things. White heavy checkmark examples. Boy, girl, city, country, book. White right pointing backhand index sentence. A boy is playing with a ball. 3. Collective noun. A collective noun names a group of people, animals, or things. White heavy checkmark examples. Team, family, class, herd, army. White right pointing backhand index sentence. The team is winning the match. 4. Abstract noun. An abstract noun is something you cannot see or touch, but you can feel or think about. White heavy checkmark examples. Love, happiness, honesty, anger. White right pointing backhand index sentence. Honesty is very important. 5. Concrete noun. A concrete noun is something you can see, touch, hear, smell, or taste. White heavy checkmark examples. Apple, table, dog, music. White right pointing backhand index sentence. I ate an apple. 6. Countable noun. A countable noun is something you can count. White heavy checkmark examples. 1 book, 2 cars, 3 apples. White right pointing backhand index sentence. I have 2 pens. 7. Uncountable noun. An uncountable noun is something you cannot count individually. White heavy checkmark examples. Water, rice, sugar, milk. White right pointing backhand index sentence. I need some water.